guys, so another idea for MR2. We will be removing the original aerial or antenna from the radio, and we will be fit some electronic stuff like that. So I think the best place like that. Of course the wiring will be under the roof panel and fitted here, under, and go to the radio. Okay, I try to do this. We'll see how will be the work. Okay guys, easy how to remove this. Just you have to put the screwdriver there and 1, 2 and 3 places and click down, click down, click down, open it like that and pushing down, because this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clips. Flexi, but you don't try remove it this, that's not working. Okay, maybe I make a little bit lighter here if I remove the top covers, the more light inside. Okay, now we see better. And the next step is removing the 2 screws. 1, 2, only 2, looks like. Oh no, one more. 3 guys. Okay, there is 3 screws. Up, jump down, we catch it. Okay, and now we have nice access to the earth. So okay, let's go. Okay, clean the window, measure, possible put down. Jesus, possible just is very tight. It's not possible. Okay. Okay. Remove the all stickers. One, 2, of course 3, and fit. Okay, this on the place. So now we have to make the magic plan with the loom. Okay, this one will be go in. I'm not sure it's okay. It's really, I haven't in a better point. Okay, I have to put my head inside. Very tough. Alright, so the one is in. Okay. The others I will be pushed to other sides. Will be pushing the line down. Okay. Maybe other side. MR2, how do you do this? Okay, we have to do something like that. And push in, push in, push in, one by one, without any pressure. Yep, that's working very well. Just careful for the windscreen. Very tight here. Okay, what do I feel? Just the power and this. Okay guys, the best idea is, okay, the aerial cable we have to anyway pushing to the radio because we have the connector, so go down, but the positive we can connect it to this loom. That's really simply. Alright, let's go start. Best idea, remove it the handle. That's easy. If you want proper fit the cable, you can do like that. And now go down, remove it, pushing out. It's long like that, but nobody. Now we have to do better, proper. Jesus. Okay, and you can move this under, pushing down. Like that. Down, and I think we have to remove the bottom side of this after a few minutes. Go straight to the radio. Okay. So okay, lights. So somebody replaced the windscreen and glued the roof panel. So, but okay, we put in the cable. The one positive will be to battery, negative will be to the body, and this way we push the aerial, come exactly here, and straight we go to the radio behind the ECU, ABS ECU behind. Just I have to remove the radio now. Okay, I don't have to push around the whole frame because the radio is almost free. Just move like that. Okay. So exactly the original we remove it. So the original we remove it and we plug in our new radio. Alright, so we put back all gently. Okay, all is sitting. Put the pocket. Pocket of course is not original, so just careful. Time to connect the power to this line, and I used the original for the screw when we fix the lamp. Exactly here. That's be the negative point here. Okay. Okay, guys. We have to find the plus, so that's okay, that's the plus, red color, plus red color with white is the negative, so we can check to be safe, like exactly here. Alright, we have the plus and minus. Okay, time make the access to this. Just careful, don't cut too much. Okay, this is not very important, the power, so we'll be alright if we leave like that. Just make the tighten up. Okay. Okay, and time to put back the lamp. So connect. That's out. Here. Working. Oh, there is the open door, so that's fine. Okay, and now we try fitting back this. MR3. Last one. Exactly here. Fill the cover first, this point, and like that. Alright, looks like original, all is working, and nothing is out, everything is fine. Okay, so just now we try start the radio, it works. Okay guys, radio is working fine. Okay, the aerial is fitted correct, just time put back the plastics and clean up everything and is done.